Hey my friend, here I will show you how to add Google Calendar in Notion easily. If you already use Google Calendar for scheduling and Notion for organizing your projects, combining the two can help you stay on top of deadlines, events, and tasks, all in one place. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your calendars. Choose the one you want to embed inside Notion. Next, click on the three dots next to your chosen calendar and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, copy the public Google Calendar embed link. If your calendar is private, you'll need to adjust the sharing permissions to make sure it displays correctly inside Notion. Now, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you'd like your calendar to appear. In the body of the page, type /embed in Notion. This will open the embed block. Paste the Google Calendar embed link that you copied earlier into the field and hit Enter. Your Google Calendar will now be embedded in Notion. You can resize the block, move it around your page, and integrate it seamlessly with your other Notion content. This makes it incredibly easy to view events, manage your schedule, and track meetings without switching between apps. If you want more customization, you can adjust your Google Calendar settings directly in Google, and the changes will automatically sync inside Notion. This way, whether you're adding new events, setting reminders, or updating schedules, everything stays consistent. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. By following these steps, you can build a central productivity hub where tasks, projects, and schedules all come together. If this helped, then like the video and subscribe to my channel.